Alright, how you guys doing out there in Math Magic Land? This is Mr. Muscarella coming at you, and I'm going to show you very quickly how to graph part of a function using your graphing calculator, the TI84. Now, one of the first things that you're going to be given a lot of times, it'll say graph the function, and in this case we're going to have f of x equals x squared plus 2 with x greater than 0. Now, of course, you should very easily recognize that as a parabola. That is going to be a vertex right here at 0, 2 is where the vertex is going to be, but since we have x is greater than 0 instead of the whole parabola, we only want that piece that's to the right because all of the x values on the right hand side of the y-axis are the pieces where your x's are greater than 0. So let's go ahead and see how to do that using our graphing calculator. Now, to graph this using the TI84 graphing calculator, there are two methods that you could use. Here's the first one. You're going to go ahead and input the function x squared plus 2. And you're going to make sure you put parentheses around that. Then you're going to multiply that by the domain restriction, which in this case is x is greater than 0. Now, to get to that greater than symbol, remember you're going to have to hit first the second key, and then you're going to go ahead and hit the math button, which gives you that testing menu right there. And you can see option number 3 is the greater than symbol. So that's one method that you can use to input the function x squared plus 2 for x is greater than 0, graphing only that piece. Now when you go ahead and graph that, now we'll hit zoom and then number 6, you can see that it just graphs the piece of that function where x's are greater than 0. Now let me go ahead and show you how to do it a second way. Now in this next technique, what you're going to do is you're going to enter it as a fraction. Now to enter it as a fraction, what you're going to do is put our function in this way. You're going to hit alpha and then y equals. And notice that's going to give us this fraction menu here. n/d, number 1, is what we're going to want. Now in the numerator, you're going to go ahead and type in whatever the expression was. So x squared plus 2 is what we had. Now in the denominator, that's where we're going to put our domain restriction, which in this case, our x's were greater than 0. So remember, x, and then to get to the greater, you're going to hit second and then math. And we wanted greater, so we're going to choose option 3. Now once we have that entered like this, if we hit zoom 6 again to graph our function, notice you'll see that only the right-hand piece of that function where x is greater than 0 is the one that is graphed. So that's a quick way how to graph just part of a function using your TI84 graphing calculator. Thanks for watching. You guys have a great day. Peace out.